Yeah, my people, I just want to say good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever, wherever you are. I just want to tell you people that I have a virus. I have a virus. Yes. The other day I come live on Instagram and I said I have a virus. Now if you want to know what type of virus I have, tune in to Roses FM at 12 o'clock Jamaica time, that's midday. We'll be doing an interview to tell the world about what virus I have. Tune in, download the app, www.rosesfm.com, or do the Instagram live. I'll be on Instagram live, Facebook live.
Okay, people. So we will leave you to explain the virus, because you're going to tell the people about the virus, what the virus is and what the virus is all about.
Let me tell you people, I did not tell anybody that I have AIDS or any form of virus. That's bad virus. The virus that I have, people have it twisted. They didn't ask the question, what type of virus? Okay, well they asked, but I could not answer because there are so many questions, millions of questions. What kind of virus? What kind of virus do you have, sir? Now, people, I do not have AIDS, and I do not have no form of sickening virus. The virus that I have, which I would like everybody in the world, everyone, to really spread this virus with me. You need to have this virus. The world, people, trust me, we need to have this virus. And this virus is something that you need to have. And I think the world needs to have, because we're not seeing a lot of that. And this virus is called the love virus. Yes, you need to help me spread the love virus. Good day, good night, wherever you are. We said life. We said health and strength, you know. But the other day I come on social media and I said I have a virus. Now I just want you all to listen and tell me what you think about this virus that I have. You need it now. So insane. We have to tell them again. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Them a murderer. Them a murderer.
So one of our favorite artists, Barrington Levy, came on social media recently and created a storm, a wave of pure madness when he came and said he had a virus. Everybody was assuming that he had some sort of disease, AIDS, STD, something like that. Well, he explained that he has the love virus, and he later on put out a song that's called A Virus. And quite frankly, a lot of people had a lot of negatives to say about him and the way that he chose to promote his business or his music. But in the time and age where the appear gimmicks work and publicity stunt. So if he feels like that is what going to sell his music now to the next generation, I don't mind it. But this goes to show for all the up and coming artists them that are trying to make their name in dancehall music or reggae music, please make sure you put or you know the business end of the industry. Make sure you know about your sampling, your copyright, your publishing. Because if you make a name for yourself in a certain genre of music, you need to be able to eat forever off your artistry. And a lot of Jamaican artists, I realize, don't understand the business portion of the industry, and them get them profits or them publishing or them copyrights taken away from them because they don't understand it, and they lose a lot of money. So this goes to show that you need to know the business side of whatever industry you're in. And big up to Barrington Levy, because Barrington Levy is very legendary in reggae and dancehall music. When you talk about Barrington Levy, you talk about Beres Hammond and Sanchez. And he's one of those artists that sound exactly like his records. And we can appreciate that, because no fight time them, a lot of these artists don't sound nothing like them records. But big up to him. I see what he's trying to do, and more power to him in the try get some more people or get a bigger audience and get the younger generation to actually pay attention to him. And if he has to do a publicity stunt for that to work or for that to sell, shout out to him. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about what he did. Do you agree with it? Do you disagree with it? Do you think he's too old to be doing publicity stunts like that? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.